Hi everyone, my name is David and this is a quick answer video to this comment on the video on how to quickly synchronize SRT subtitles and captions in Premiere Pro CC. So Chris asks, how do I save or export the synced subtitle file in Premiere Pro once you're done? So let's jump into Premiere Pro and let's assume you're done making or syncing your subtitles or closed captions to your video. How do you export that or save that? All you need to do is just come to these three dots here, click on that, export to SRT if it's the subtitles that you want to, or export to text file if you want to export the text file. So to export to SRT, click on that, and then you can title your SRT whatever name you want to title it. Let's say sample, and just leave it as it is. It's going to be saved as SRT captions file, and there's no other format at this moment. And I hope they would add more formats like ASS, Advanced Substation Alpha Subtitles, Web VTT, etc. So let's just save that, and our subtitle has been saved as an SRT. So that's how you can save or export subtitles once you're done preparing them in Premiere Pro to use on YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.